Hello all, doing a little nature bathing tonight. Sitting in our fire pit. Can still hear the sound of the water very well here. It's such a lovely spot. We've got a lot of nice wooded area next door. Part of that property is ours, part belongs to our neighbors. It's nice to have that buffer zone. You have some wildlife, deer. Saw a raccoon the other day. Enjoy a little bit of time outside on this evening. It's incredible how different the pond looks with the plants cut back. We'll have the net on probably in a few weeks. Enjoying time outside. Fire pit maybe a couple of times over the next few weeks. So peaceful.